Well, this is it. We're on our way to Hawaii.
It's gonna be awesome.
We've literally been counting down the days between the idea, the purchase of the tickets, to today. We're about to go on another adventure.
Mm-hmm.
Excited for this?
I'm really excited.
Ready to make it happen?
Yep.
Let's make it happen.
We're on the plane now.
Alright, we're on our way to
Nevada.
Las Vegas. Las Vegas, Nevada.
Yep. Yeah,
We got our pilot here.
So we're about to board our plane to Hawaii, and we are so stoked. We're so stoked.
Yeah, we're zone 3. They're calling zone 2 right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're next.
We're next. We're going to Hawaii. It's the last time we're
Right? Aloha, folks. Take care. Just like that. Mahalo.
Here we go.
Morning from Oahu. With I think Josephine. Aloha. Yes, aloha. It's our first morning here, and it is a gorgeous day. We're about to go get some malasadas. It's an amazing donut with just sugar all over it, and it's so warm and it just melts in your mouth. Chris has his
Coffee.
lei and his coffee, his Hawaiian coffee.
That's right.
And then we're gonna meet up with some of our friends here soon. So stay tuned.
Alright, babe, where are we?
Malasada.
Malasadas on Oahu.
Yeah.
About to treat ourselves to some Hawaiian donuts. Hawaiian donuts. Delicious. Smells good.
Oh, they're really, really good.
For JR.
JR Jr.
JR?
But real name is Federico.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Federico.
Federico.
Federico. And then we have Jonah. Jonah. Why are you hiding your face?
It's a really hot day.
Are you shy?
Listening of oil.
Or
Come record. Come in.
I want to
Welcome.
come in.
All right. Everybody's talking. All right, we're gonna introduce ourselves now. All right, this is Alyssa.
I have a
And
YouTube following of over 7 million people, so that's the audience right now.
hi.
I Happy birthday. Aloha. Chris and Megan, welcome to Hawaii. That's it, folks. Yeah. Well, I help you. All right, Megan May. You ready to swim with sharks?
I'm ready to swim with the sharks.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. About to go ATVing with my boo thing. Jurassic Park. Here we come.
everybody. We are at the temple here, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Hey!
Hey! What's going on, people?
Check out the mountains. Absolutely gorgeous. We're gonna walk around a little bit and feed the koi fish. That's what I'm excited about. We did go to Poly Lookout, but it was closed. So now we're here.
Aloha!
We are at Giovanni's Shrimp Truck.
Giovanni's.
Order for 37. Forks and napkins are gonna be underneath this one, and here's your second one. Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Coming up on this tunnel here, so we're going to hold our breath, all right, babe?
Okay.
Here it comes. Oh man, I almost made it, but
Oh, I was dying.
I started laughing.
Holy cow.
Okay, look to your left.
Oh wow, look at this right here.
I almost made it, but I just looked at Chris and I just started laughing.
Oh.
Yay!
We're going in.
Going in.
Welcome.
We gotta stop the vlog here for 1 minute just to give my main man here a shout out. This guy right here is...
This is Raphael. He was our tour guide at Polynesian Culture Center. He was so awesome. We only got to meet him for 1 day, but we felt like we were best friends.
Yeah, he's my best friend. If you want to go give him a follow, he does photography. He is the real deal. He's part Greek, part Filipino, lived all over the world, like Australia and Thailand, and now he's in Hawaii. Raph, I'm sorry if I got some of those details incorrect, but you are the dude. If you're ever in the Polynesian Culture Center on the island of Oahu, request Raph.
Okay, family, welcome to the PCC and aloha! Aloha! Today I will be your guide. My name is Raph. It's Raphael, but you're welcome to call me Raph, all the way from Sydney, Australia.
Josephine.
Hey.
Megan May.
So glad they could come.
Jonah.
And this is my friend Jonah. We go way back. When you're around Jonah, there is never a dull moment. So we're so happy that she could join us at the Polynesian Culture Center.
Miss ya, Jonah.
Jonah.
So it's kind of like it's kind of like rubbing your belly and patting your head, right? Yeah. Same sort of thing.
I got it.
Kia ora. We're gonna learn some languages today.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Jonah. Kia ora. Jonah.
You'll notice as we stepped in, it did get a little bit cooler. That's because we were really smart in Samoa and they figured out how to cool down the structure.
Once you see that, grab the bag on count of 3. We're gonna raise our hands high into the sky, and there's a very loud scream. Is everybody ready? Oh, come on, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. One more time. Everybody grab a hand. Everybody quickly grab a hand. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Give yourself a hand. Okay, watch me. I do this one time only. One time. Minnesota, your turn. Come on, everybody, give it up for Minnesota. Wow. Minnesota, good job, Minnesota. This is your drum. Follow me. Let me go first, then you. Everybody tell him to follow me. Come on, give it up for Minnesota.
We're at our luau now.
At the luau.
Woohoo! We're gonna be sitting down at this nice table.
I remember when it hit me. You were 19, bright eyes, big dreams. I felt the blood rush to my heart. I knew that this could be the start of something like you see in movies, the making of our story. So I got down on my knee and I told you honestly, baby, I don't know where we're going, but we're going together. We're going together. Got a baby in the backseat. We're moving to another country, and we packed up every last thing. Turned a chapter in this story. Both of us scared to death. You took my hand and said, baby, I don't know where we're going, but we're going together.